up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog.
Just stay true to them dear ones. Just stay true to them dear ones. Just stay true to them dear ones.
It's an exciting vlog because today we're gonna look at our bridesmaid dresses. You know, it's the good girl at one bridesmaid wedding number 3. No, this is my 3rd wedding. This is my 3rd. Well, 2 outside the park. 2 more to go.
Don't put it over here.
Sandy. I'll crop that out.
Technically, I can't go to
Maggie, me can't cut it out.
I can't attend to Shadi wedding.
But we came to an agreement. Samantha has to get married before me because how many? 5 weddings? You're not supposed to be in more than 5 weddings. So apparently you can't be in more than 5 weddings. So Samantha is on her 5th. So I told her she got to get married before me then.
Yep.
So that's the dealio.
That don't be a wrap for me, no man.
But yeah, we about to go look at Zoe. Our dresses for the bridal. What you call it? Middle to bridal shower. What you call it? Thing? It's a bridal party. Bridal party. So we're about to go look at our bridal. What do I keep calling
Dress.
Bridesmaid dresses. Yeah, to try them on. So that's where we're heading now. I'm not gonna show you what they look like. Wait, did she say we can?
Yeah, she said we must vlog.
Oh, she want us to.
They're not gonna know which one.
Oh, y'all not gonna know which one. So basically, we're gonna go try them on and stuff like that. And today's also my last day in Florida. I'm moving, y'all. Y'all will see this when I move. So by the time y'all see this vlog, I'll be already moved, and y'all already know. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Well, I'm not excited about that, but I'm excited to go try on these dresses. So we'll hit y'all up when we get there. So let go. Let go. Bridesmaid, hi Sandy.
Hello.
Hi Samantha.
Hi.
So guys, we just got here. We have the code, so we're like looking for the dresses right now. They don't have the colors, so we just don't have to try on the style. We just want to see the style to see how it looks, and then we'll get the right color. And I was like, but
Is this the only sizes you have in it? Right here. Oh,
They're
so
called Zoe. Can I try on one of these ones?
guys, I'm low-key frost.
What size dresses?
What size is that?
I don't know.
That look big. Let me see. That look like it can fit me.
I don't know what
It's a
size
22, girl. I don't even wear a 22.
So what size should we?
You probably need like a 10.
What size pant do you have?
9.
And I need a 14 dress. Or probably a 16. But you know, by next year, I'll be a size. Not 16 or 14. I can tell you that.
Hi, hello. Hello.
Say hi to the vlog.
Alright.
So go call her back. But anyway, we're trying to find the sizes. Yeah. I'm excited. You got your size?
Yes. Hopefully it fits I'll run a bridesmaid I bought.
My 3rd time at this. We'll see. Maybe I'll find my husband. I'm catching the bouquet at this one. Oh, this is a 10.
This is a 14.
All right. This is a beautiful color anyway. Oh, we got a couple more. They only had, no, they have the other ones in my size. I'm going to try on the next one in a second. But this is option 1. I love it because it got the split. You know, it's a good girl like try legs there, yeah. So, may I come? So this is dress 1. Samantha, let's see yours. This is also another option. It's not these colors. Samantha, let me see it from, oh, no, that got me a trip. Here comes the bride, all dressed in, what color that? What color that day? Burgundy.
Can I get a wow?
Can I get a wow? Can I, hey! So this is the dress that I got on. I really love it. Of course, I'm not gonna look like this on a wedding day because it's a good girl I work on our body and all these things. So right now, this is a size 14. Right, it's a kind of tight. So thank God the wedding, you know. Thank God the wedding. I love this Sandy. I'm gonna go out a little bit. I love this muggle. Muggle my friend yet. Talk to them no more than you. That's nice.
Just because Zoe.
Alright, so I'm gonna call Zoe. So we'll be back. Carla, come my phone a did. You have a bouquet. Oh, you're on phone like a dead. Let's all chill with you. I'm like, we got girl. Come remember, since we want one with the whole tree away before my phone dead. Well, on the money. She was already. Yeah, me love that one here. Love. We can't go for sure, actually. Well, this not like a trail. We got me a try flag with a trail in a one. Samantha, where you go come?
I'm going to tell the next dress.
No, trail in a one. Now try on the other one next.
Alright. Hold on. Sorry.
No, I love it.
The last one was so bad.
Fandy, come now. I will run them here. I'm going to show them a little detail on it as well. With the splits with some long ear.
Come Fanny. Come Fanny with him.
Come on, Sandy, come show him. Come, the trail have to walk together. So we want the whole away. Put the sharp meat in the middle. Boy, that's right.
'Cause we are sisters, we stand together, we make up one big family, though we don't look the same.
Guys, we get so freaking excited that we never get for show the rest of the dress them. But I'm gonna try to insert clips. We do have like pictures of all of them, but I didn't get to vlog because we was just like all over the place. But that was successful. Oh my god, me not even want to walk into that. But anyway, we're going now. I'm making buffalo chicken dip. I had to turn the oven off. So I'm going home to finish that up. And then I'm leaving to Philly tomorrow. So, yep. Hey guys, what's up? So a little update from the last time. In the previous clip, we went to go see Zoe bridesmaid and everything. That was a couple days ago. That was the day before I left Fort Lauderdale. I left Fort Lauderdale on Friday evening. We drove from Fort Lauderdale to Philly, and we got here yesterday, Saturday. And we were so tired, so we just slept. So Samantha left this morning. Samantha and Anthony left this morning. They drove up with me. So they flew back down this morning. So I'm just here in my new room, in my new space. Now I am not living on my own. I moved back in with my mama. A lot of people would be ashamed of that, but I'm really not. I'm ready to save some money, you know, get some coins so I can make a bigger move into a house. So I'm just here in my new room. I'm gonna show you, it's nothing to see, but I just want to show you like a before, and with time I'm gonna give myself like a month or a month and a half, 6 weeks to get my life together. My bed is here, it's downstairs though, and I paid for them to set it up, and it delivered yesterday, so they're not coming to set it up until Tuesday. So I got 2 more days to wait for them to set it up. I'm not gonna set it up, but just in case I break something, I want them to come and set it up. So I'm gonna show you just the room, the before. It's kind of a mess. I'm unpacking, packing up the closet right now. Like I said, I'm living with my mama. She just went to work, so I'm gonna just show you a little bit. So that's the closet I'm packing. I had shipped stuff, so these boxes are stuff that I ship. I got clothes in there. I got stuff downstairs as well. I just want to clear these out before I bring anything upstairs. I'm playing some music. That's the mattress and that box spring. Now the bed, like I told y'all, is downstairs. I'll show y'all back once it's set up and everything. And yeah, this is my room. So yeah, this is my little abode now. I'm excited, but I'm pretty nervous. I didn't announce anything on social media yet, like where I'm moving to. A lot of people think I'm living in Fort Lauderdale, but I'm really not. I made my final move. I'm gonna start working next week. So I came so I can get settled and everything for next week, get my mind right and everything, out of vacation mode kinda. I'm pretty excited, pretty nervous, very nervous. It's a new start all over again. But yeah, I'm just excited to get my room set up. My couch is downstairs, the other stuff downstairs from my old apartment. I shipped stuff from Florida, so I didn't have to worry about that. The only thing that I didn't ship was my car, and I kind of like drove that down yesterday like I told y'all. But my bed is here. I went to go look at some other stuff for my room. My mom is like, oh, you need to get a dresser, a chest of drawers, all this. But I don't want the typical, like, you know how if you're Jamaican or Caribbean, you know how they want the bed, the dresser, and the chest of drawers to match. I don't want that. So my bed is already a different color, which my mom is like, what the heck? So I went to go look at some night tables this morning. So I'm gonna take my time and set it up. I'll show y'all once it's done. But I'm pretty excited. I just wanted to check in and tell y'all what's going on, so I can be consistent on the channel. But yeah, that's what I'm here doing. And I'll check y'all later once I get somewhere in this packing.
Just stay true to them dear ones. Just stay true to them dear ones.